Hello goddesses, thanks for tuning in again to another one of my videos. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload. Today we are doing a pack order with me video. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so yeah, I wanted to do something different, and plus, you know, you guys know that I'm over the hair videos at this point right now. So here's a pack order with me video. The first order that I am packing, this customer ordered from my holiday collection of body butter creams and whipped sugar scrubs, and this scent that they chose is the Christmas in Aruba, which is the #1 seller from my holiday collection. So please make sure that you check it out on my website. They make perfect gifts for yourself or your loved one. They smell absolutely delicious. My body butter creams are infused with calendula and chamomile organic herbs, and it also contains a butter blend of shea, mango, and kokum butter. It also has an oil blend of jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. Alright, next up we have an order that contains our new Moroccan Goddess Herbal Butter Cream for the hair. It contains an infusion of brahmi, burdock root, and fenugreek. Absolutely amazing, stimulates hair growth. You're gonna get amazing shine for your hair. You can use this on your scalp. So if you are not an oil person, you can use this on your scalp. It's more lightweight than our Moroccan Goddess Herbal Oil, hair growth oil. This is also going to stimulate some hair growth for you. It's also going to help strengthen your hair follicles as well. Provide your hair with silk amino acids, natural proteins from these herbs from your hair as well. Great shine. It's a great styling agent too when you're taking out your twist outs, because you never want to untwist your twist outs or your braid outs or anything dry. You always want to use some type of oil or serum to control the frizz, and this is going to be excellent for that as well. It's also a sealant as well. You can use it after you're leaving. Also in this order, they ordered, which is also new to my store, our Aloe Angel Scalp Refresh Mist. Now, if you have or suffer from an over buildup of sebum on your scalp, this is perfect for you for daily use because it's more water-based than oil-based, okay? And they also ordered from our holiday collection of body butters and body butter cream, excuse me, and she got the apple cinnamon fragrance, which is another one of my favorites. Like, I love all of the fragrance in this collection. And then she got our most popular one, which is Christmas in Aruba. All right, while I'm finishing up this package, let's go back to the Scalp Refresh Mist, which is herbal infused as well. It has real lemon, lavender, and peppermint infused into this mist, which contains all of these things, contain great antibacterial properties for the scalp to help control buildup, fungus, and dandruff on the scalp. So this is another natural treatment that you can use, and like I said, if you get heavy flakes on your scalp, it's great because it's water-based more so than oil-based, okay? The Aloe Angel collection is all for scalp care, and it's just jam-packed with a lot of great antibacterial benefits for the scalp. For the next order, they got the Moroccan Goddess hair butter, and then they also got the pumpkin crunch cake sugar scrub, which is I keep saying, like, these are, I love all of the fragrances. Like, they all smell delicious. You would think that you would smell fruity with the pumpkin crunch cake, but it's such a delightful scent. Like, I love this one. I'm not a pumpkin spice type of girl, but the pumpkin crunch cake body butter cream and sugar scrub, absolutely amazing. So once again, make sure you head over to my website. All of my skincare for our holiday collection is 30% off. So if you missed our Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, then you still have an opportunity to save on our skincare. And I just want to take the time before we go on to our next order to thank everyone who has been supporting my YouTube channel, for supporting me in the salon by becoming a client, supporting Toya Ray Hair Care, supporting my skin line with Toya Ray Hair Care. Like, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. For this next order, they ordered the whole set for the Christmas in Aruba, excuse me, collection for the body butter and the sugar scrub. So Yes, they're going to love it. All right, this client received the Aloe Angel Anti-Itch Scalp Oil, which is a treatment oil for the scalp. And then I have another order for the most popular Christmas and Aruba Sugar Scrub. And lastly, to finish up this video, I also had some orders from my Etsy shop for CWL Boutique. I knit and crochet, so this time of year is extremely busy for me. I had a couple of hat orders that was ready to get shipped out, so I just included in the order. So if you're interested in any of my knitted or crochet items, website is in the description box, and I'll also put it right here on the screen for you guys. Check it out, see if there's something that you may like. But yeah, these are my little hidden talents. I love to knit and crochet. Is one of the things that I love to do to relax. And I can't have all of these things that I knit just sitting around the house, so I sell them. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, guys.